les faux amis. So they look the same in English and in French, but then the meaning is different. Okay, so let's start now. And then the first one, it will be travailler. Travailler. Okay, remember when you get this I and then double L like that and a vowel. Y. Travailler. Okay, travailler, and it means to work. Okay. Sympathique. Remember the H is not pronounced. Sympathique. Okay, and it means friendly, nice. Then rester. Rester. Regular verb from the first group, easy to conjugate. Rester, okay, and it means to stay, to remain. Then la monnaie. Monnaie, okay, final not pronounced. La monnaie, okay, and it means small change. Le magasin. Le magasin. Okay, remember you've got only one S between two vowels. Then you get the sound Z, alright? And then the ending here is IN, so it's nasal, goes in your nose, and it's un. Magasin, okay? And it's shop, alright? Then, la librairie, okay? Remember, I here, librairie, final not pronounced. La librairie, okay? And it's a bookshop. Then, la journée. La journée. Final not pronounced. And it's day. Grand. Final day not pronounced. Okay? G-R, gr. And then the nasal en. Grand. Okay? And it means big or tall. Then, gentil. So remember this final L is not pronounced. Gentil, gentil, and it's nice or kind. Then attendre, attendre. Remember, final you don't insist on it, it just gives you the possibility to pronounce the dr. Okay, so attendre, attendre. Alright, and it's to wait.